Ready to refresh your home and kitchen with the newest gadgets everyone's talking about? From smart tools that simplify cooking to clever helpers that keep your space organized, these finds are designed to make everyday life easier and more fun. Get ready to see what your home's been missing. All the products are linked in the description below. Every step feels like part of a movie scene with these motion-activated stair lights. As you walk up, each step gently lights up in sequence, creating a smooth and elegant glow. You can tweak the brightness, timing, and number of steps to match your style. The LED strip installs easily and cuts to fit perfectly. It's not just lighting, it's a mix of safety, style, and pure wow factor for your home. Who said a sink can't be smart? This digital kitchen sink takes cleaning and convenience to a whole new level. The built-in display shows water temperature in real time, while the pull-out faucet and waterfall feature make rinsing faster and more fun. A pressurized washer blasts away grime from cups and dishes in seconds. Crafted from nano stainless steel, it resists stains, scratches, and keeps your kitchen shining effortlessly. Mornings just got smarter. This automatic curtain opener glides your curtains open with a tap on your phone, or even your voice. Installation? Just clip it on. No tools, no hassle. A quiet mode keeps it whisper silent while you sleep, and the upgraded motor handles even heavy drapes with ease. Connect it to your smart home system and enjoy effortless light control every day. No sink hookup? No problem. This mini portable dishwasher brings full-size cleaning power anywhere you need it. Just fill the built-in tank, load your dishes, and choose from 6 wash programs, including a fruit rinse and a high-temp hygiene cycle for baby items. Dual 360-degree sprays leave everything spotless, and the air-dry mode keeps dishes fresh. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or small kitchens on the go. Charging just got a major upgrade. This 3-in-1 wireless charger looks like a sleek car model, but powers your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. The rotating MagSafe mount lets you keep using your phone hands-free while it charges. Perfect for video calls or streaming. A soft, ambient glow adds a futuristic touch. It's stylish, compact, and keeps every device powered up without cable chaos. Get ready for perfectly grilled hot dogs every single time. This clever roller rack cooks up to 5 sausages evenly, so you never deal with burnt or raw spots again. Just roll it back and forth over your grill and watch them cook to juicy perfection. The long wooden handle keeps your hands safe from the heat, and cleanup is a breeze. Ideal for barbecues, camping trips, or backyard cookouts. Say goodbye to streaky windows and risky ladders. This smart window cleaning robot does the work for you, gliding across glass with precision and power. Its triple nozzle sprayer blasts away dirt, while intelligent path planning ensures every inch gets spotless coverage. With built-in edge detection and a 10-level safety system, it cleans fearlessly, even frameless windows. Just tap the app and watch your windows sparkle on their own. Reaching for items in those high kitchen cabinets just got effortless. This heavy-duty pull-down shelf glides smoothly toward you, bringing everything within easy reach. Designed to hold plenty of weight, it keeps your essentials neatly organized while maximizing storage space. Its modern, polished look blends perfectly with any kitchen setup, making it both functional and stylish. Ever tried moving a heavy sofa or cabinet by yourself? This clever lift mover tool set makes it a breeze. With its sturdy lever and smooth 360-degree wheels, you can lift and glide bulky furniture without strain or scratches. The adjustable height adds extra control, letting you handle anything from dressers to appliances. It's a total game changer for rearranging or deep cleaning your space with minimal effort. Who knew crushing garlic could actually be fun? This clever little garlic crusher adds a playful twist to meal prep, literally. Just pop in your cloves, twist, and watch it turn them into perfectly minced pieces without the mess or smell on your hands. It even handles ginger, nuts, and herbs with ease. A simple, hands-on gadget that makes cooking faster, cleaner, and a lot more entertaining. The world just got a little more magical. This floating globe seems to defy gravity as it spins quietly in midair, glowing with soft, shifting LED colors. It's held up by invisible magnetic forces, turning your desk or shelf into a mini planetarium. You can leave it gently rotating or keep it still for a calming light effect. Sleek, futuristic, and mesmerizing. Perfect for any space lover. Crack an egg and get ready to laugh. This adorable little chicken separates yolks from whites by vomiting them out. Yes, really. It's made of smooth ceramic, so it's safe, durable, and super easy to clean. Just pour the egg into the top and watch the magic happen. It's both practical and hilarious. A kitchen helper that adds a little humor to your baking routine. Say goodbye to messy drawers once and for all. This wall-mounted underwear and sock organizer keeps everything neat, visible, and right where you need it. The sliding drawers make it easy to grab what you want without digging around. You can mount it on a wall, closet, or cabinet to save space and declutter instantly. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a simple upgrade for a tidier daily routine. Meet the plant pot that actually cares back. This smart flower pot acts like a digital pet, showing emotions and responding when you interact with it. Equipped with 7 sensors and an AI chip, it monitors water, light, and temperature to keep your plant thriving. The built-in display can even show your favorite photos or animations. It's a mix of tech and personality that turns plant care into pure fun. Traveling alone or just want extra peace of mind? This portable door stopper alarm adds instant security wherever you are. Simply place it behind your door. If anyone tries to force it open, the built-in alarm blares to alert you. It's compact, lightweight, and made from sturdy aluminum for real protection. No tools, no hassle, just smart, simple safety for hotels, apartments, or your bedroom. Wave your hand and the lid opens, just like magic. This motion sensor Trashcan keeps things clean without you ever touching it. The smooth stainless steel finish resists fingerprints, so it always looks spotless. It's built to last, with a quiet closing lid and plenty of space for your daily waste. Perfect for kitchens or offices, it turns taking out the trash into something surprisingly satisfying. Cleaning small messes just got way easier. This mini sponge mop handles wet or dry cleanup anywhere. Your desk, kitchen counter, bathroom tiles, even your car. It's super absorbent and has a squeeze handle that lets you wring out water with one hand. The grooved sponge design grabs dirt fast and leaves surfaces spotless. Lightweight and compact, it's the perfect quick clean tool for every corner of your home. A little glow goes a long way. These plug-in LED nightlights automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, so you never have to think about it. You can easily adjust the brightness from a soft, warm glow to full light with just a touch. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, or stairways. They guide your way at night without harsh glare. Simple, stylish, and effortlessly smart. No more flour clouds or sticky fingers. This silicone kneading dough bag lets you mix and knead your dough right inside the bag. Clean, easy, and mess-free. Just add your ingredients, seal it, and start kneading. It's perfect for bread, pizza, pastries, or even marinating meat. Reusable, non-toxic, and super easy to wash. It's a baker's dream tool that keeps your kitchen spotless. There's something mesmerizing about watching this jellyfish-inspired humidifier in action. It quietly releases a soothing mist while glowing through 7 calming colors, creating a relaxing, underwater-like ambiance. With adjustable mist modes, a built-in timer, and a handy remote control, it's perfect for unwinding after a long day. It doubles as an essential oil diffuser too, adding both fragrance and serenity to your space in one elegant design. Who knew dumpling night could be this easy? This clever 2-in-1 press helps you shape and seal perfect dumplings, empanadas, or mini pies in seconds. Just lay down the dough, scoop your filling, and press. Done! The smooth, food-safe design is simple to use, quick to clean, and fun for everyone. You'll be making picture-perfect pockets faster than ever, no experience required. Here's one for car lovers and organization fans alike. This wall-mounted key hook looks just like a classic car front, complete with headlights that light up when you hang your keys. It's a fun mix of style and function that turns an everyday habit into something cool. Easy to mount and built to last, it keeps your keys in sight and your walls looking awesome. Cooking just got a little more fun with this cheerful crab utensil rest. Its sturdy silicone claws hold your spoon or spatula so your counters stay spotless. Heat-resistant and non-slip, it's perfect for busy stovetops or grilling sessions. When you're done, toss it in the dishwasher for an easy clean. Cute, clever, and practical. It's the kitchen helper you didn't know you needed. Get ready to make dessert magic right at home. This compact ice cream maker turns your favorite ingredients into creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or smoothie bowls with just one touch. Add your favorite mix-ins, chocolate, fruit, or nuts, and watch it blend them perfectly. You're in full control of flavor, texture, and sweetness. It's fast, easy, and makes every scoop feel like a treat made just for you. Your toothbrush deserves better than sitting on the counter. This wall-mounted UV sanitizer keeps up to 4 brushes clean, dry, and ready to go. With just one button, it uses UV light to eliminate germs in minutes, then shuts off automatically. It's rechargeable, easy to mount, no drilling needed, and perfect for families. Sleek, smart, and hygienic, it keeps your bathroom organized and your smile protected. Dinner just got a serious upgrade. This vertical countertop oven does it all. Roasts, bakes, broils, and even handles kebabs with ease. The rotating rotisserie cooks meats evenly for juicy, golden results every time. With adjustable heat settings and 2 spacious shelves, you can cook multiple dishes at once. Compact yet powerful, it brings restaurant-quality cooking right to your countertop. Turn your room into a mini galaxy with this adorable astronaut projector. It fills your ceiling with drifting nebula clouds and twinkling stars that feel straight out of space. You can control brightness, color, and movement with the remote, or set a timer to drift off under the stars. The astronaut's head even tilts to change the angle. It's cozy, mesmerizing, and perfect for dreamers of any age. Finally, a dish rack that actually saves space and looks good doing it. This 3-tier over-the-sink organizer keeps dishes, glasses, and utensils neatly arranged while freeing up precious counter space. Its enclosed cover keeps everything dust-free, and the sturdy steel frame can handle heavy loads without wobbling. With holders for knives, cutting boards, and sponges, it turns your sink area into a clean, efficient workstation. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.